Hey, thanks for opting in that super hot sales funnel that you just went into. That funnel is producing tons and tons of money right this second. It could produce tons of money for you. I want to get into this and show you how. So what we're going to do is take you into what we call money making school. Below this video are tons of videos that are going to explain the real way to make money online. Most people don't know how to do it. They're very confused. So we decided to take you back to the basics and show you what the real top earners do, the real multi-million-dollar earners do to make a ton of money. So ask yourself this question: how would you like to be making $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month? How would you like to take the most luxurious vacations and have what we call beach money, money that comes in month after month while you're out there having a blast? How would you like to have a brand new luxury car paid for that you don't have to make the payment on in your driveway in possibly the next 30 to 45 days? If that excites you, awesome, because we're going to show you all that in the videos below. But I want you to know something. Right now, if you're watching this, you might be saying to yourself, I've tried all this stuff before. I'm not good at internet marketing. I'm not good at selling people and pitching people. I'm terrible at this stuff. Well, that's awesome, because guess what? I'm good at it, and we're gonna give you this exact funnel where I do all the telling, selling, and closing. Listen, after people go through these videos, people whip out their credit cards and sign up with us every single day, actually multiple times an hour. This is happening for our members. We did this for a reason. We knew that most people were weak. Most people are not good at closing sales. So what did we do? We decided to close the sales for you by using this method of money making school. When you get done, you are going to get excited. You're going to see why so many people are making so much money with the products, with the timing, everything that's going on right now. And again, how would you like me to literally step in here and start closing sales that you can get paid on? That's exactly what we're doing for people just like you. We take newbies and help them become top earners. If that's something you're interested in, congratulations for filling in that form, because you are in the right place at the right time. So let's begin. Start at the videos below, and we're going to walk you through every single step and explain things in a way that you've never seen making money on the internet explained before. See you in the next video.